That black mist is a swarm of birds migrating.
Yeah, it's a long swarm too.
Yeah.
They trying to catch up. They
Yeah.
like we left behind.
Yeah, like a lot of people gonna be saying that too. We left behind.
That's true. That's
If they don't get it right.
That's a sermon right there.
That's right. If they don't get it right, there's gonna be a lot of people left behind. Especially some clergy, when you clergy. So-called clergy anyway.
Yeah, them clergy got to decide today is the day that they can stop doing their foolishness.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
But they ain't none of our business. Well, actually, we supposed to help them get it right. But
well, if they don't want to listen.
right, because what Jesus said, shake the dust off your feet.
Yeah. Their nose, the ladies got their nose wide open, as my mom used to say.
Yeah.
When a woman got your nose wide open, you can't tell nobody nothing.
Sure can.
Even to the destroying of your ministry. You be like, the devil put them position up there.
That's right.
The devil know your weakness,
That's right.
and he'll position people in your life. He know your weakness, but if you ain't strong enough, then hey, he gonna overcome you.
That's right.
I don't care how much word or how much scripture you know. You can know the Bible 3-4 times over. If you ain't strong enough to understand when the devil has presented itself to you and you so weak in your flesh that you can't see nothing else,
True that.
he can overtake you.
That's true. I got him. The migration of the birds, y'all. Look, I'm in the midst of them. The migration of the birds, y'all. Going on forever. Look at all these birds migrating, y'all.